Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chef and author Sandra Lee has relocated to the West Coast. CNN, Sandra Lee has been documenting her bittersweet move from the home she shared with her ex, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo. The chef and author has been posting on her verified Instagram account about her move from New York to California. 17 December 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
While Lee made New York her permanent residence for the duration of her relationship with Cuomo, she was raised in California. The celebrity chef has always spoken fondly about her time in California and has been honest that she feels most at home and at peace on the West Coast. 5 March 2021.
Take our lead.
Lee, who refers to herself as Aunt Sandy, has appeared on the Food Network, Cooking Channel and HGTV. Her latest project, a Today Food original series filmed in her kitchen called Top Shelf, shows people how to whip up easy and delicious meals using pantry staples. 10 April 2020.
Take our lead.
After selling the New Castle, NY mansion she lived in with Governor Cuomo, Sandra is back on the West Coast. Mashed reports that the star has fulfilled her dream of living in Malibu. "When I was younger, I was a waitress at the Malibu Adobe," Sandra shared in an interview with People. 21 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
5 feet 4 inches. Chef Sandra Lee was born Sandra Lee Christensen on July 3, 1966 in Los Angeles, California, the daughter of Vicky Svitak and Wayne Waldrop. Lee is known for her semi-homemade cooking concept, which she featured in her shows. She is with the height 5 feet 4 inches in tall. She wears a size 9.5 shoe.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.